Got everyone in the car today because we're going camping.
Hey, back off!
Oh, let's see, we took Doma with us. And she's really excited because she thinks we're going to the PARK. But we're going somewhere better. We're going camping. Violet, say hi. Hi. Domo, say woof. Look at her, she's so excited. Old dogs are the best, I swear. Maybe she should go try anyway. Yeah, we're at our first rest stop. We're about halfway there to the campground. You okay, Domo? She's happy. Too. Well, it has been fun. Yeah. He is soft and cute.
So soft.
We got Domo's bows, right?
What is the best?
We're almost there. Yeah, he's having a popsicle, but all the popsicles melted. So it's more like juice. Yeah, we're at hopefully the last rest stop. And then we have like 40 more minutes to go.
One more.
You don't want any more?
I want to get.
Okay. Everybody is ready to be out of that car. We made it! This cabin in the woods.
Oh no.
Oh, it's so pretty out here. Yeah, we're not finding any secrets here. Hideaway. Our cabin is called Hideaway. Isn't that so cute? Oh, it's an outhouse. Cool. I've never used an outhouse before. I should have brought the bug spray. I know they're gonna be chewing on me soon. Look at that dip over there. That's a hill. It smells like an old library. AC. Yeah. Here's the little bedroom. It has a little bedroom. This is so cute. And this is the dining room and kitchen.
That is ice.
Yeah, that's ice from the cooler. Oh, you're probably thirsty, aren't you, Domo? Violet, come here. Look. Look. Watch this. You ready?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Yeah, that's the water.
You're gonna spray Domo in the head. Push it all the way
Push. Push it.
Oh. Oh. Can
That's-
you push it over here? Can you push it?
up. Dog, back.
He likes it.
It's a little thirsty.
Whoa.
Stop that water, Gummo.
Did you get? I think she's done.
So cool.
There's cold water too.
Hey, I need more.
You don't need some more. You don't need to waste it.